So we have here the cordless pressure washer gun from Amazon, and unlike many pressure washers, this does not require being plugged in to power or require a continuous water source, and we will show how. Now, the reason I was interested in something like this was because of the convenience, especially living at an apartment and just wanting something in an overall smaller package. And it is not going to be as powerful as either a full size or even a gas powered pressure washer, but this is something you can use around the house, and I think it's going to be really convenient. So let's see what comes in the box. And we get this case. So everything is in the case, and it's a nice case. It fits, everything is molded inside, and it does have these clips. It is a little cheap, so you know, this doesn't feel like one of those cases where you're like, oh, this is a nice case, I'll repurpose it for something else. It's gonna live and probably die as the case for this, and I think that's totally fair. I think it'll be good for that. So let's see what's inside. You get the power washer itself, 2 3-amp-hour batteries, this pump that we'll discuss a little bit later, 2 quick detach pieces to connect it. One's on the hose. You have a filter at the end of the hose. The charger, that is not like the typical tool battery dock charger, but this plugs in right here. And the charger itself does have an indicator light to show whether it's charging or it's fully charged. And the batteries themselves do have a battery indicator. You also have a soap hopper, and the nozzle itself does have different angles, and we will test these out later. So that's what you get in the kit. The one thing that you'll need to provide for yourself is going to be a bucket. As we all know, these are very cheap. You can get one from Home Depot or Lowe's or Harbor Freight. I happen to get this for $2.99 at Harbor Freight, and this is going to be essentially our water source. Now lastly, I'm going to show that a clip like this or a clamp is going to help, because when your hose and filter is at the bottom of the bucket, this is just going to help keep that hose in place, and so that it doesn't pull up and you have continuous water flowing throughout. So in the intro you saw that little pump, and it's supposed to, you know, feed water into it so it doesn't have to suck up air, but in reality the pump, I mean, maybe I'm not figuring it out, but it just does not make sense how it's actually supposed to work. So I just run it, let it suck up a bunch of air until it starts spitting out water, and I mean, it works fine. And at the price, if it ruins it, well then, you know, we'll either get another one or we'll just return it. So that's the beauty of Amazon. But you see here that it's working well. It's not, like I said, it's not as high pressure as a professional power washer, but for stuff around the house, spraying down the windows and the screens and the stairs, I mean, this thing's doing a great job. I allowed things to get this dirty because getting a hose or a mop and bucket up here is just annoying, and this pressure washer has made it incredibly easy. We're almost at the 5,000 subscriber milestone. That's really exciting. So if you guys want to help me get there, I would greatly appreciate a like and a subscribe, especially being a gun channel on YouTube. I didn't think I would even get this far. So I decided to branch out a little bit and to provide review content of products that I find useful and fun as well. And this is a gun. The channel started as Vital Arms 2020, and in that year it became so clear to me that voicing the importance of the Second Amendment was something that I wanted to pursue. And if I could show a safe and fun lifestyle with using firearms, I thought that was important. And I think this is going to add a little bit to the channel, trying different things, and once again just showing products that are useful and are not too expensive. I was curious how these batteries would do. To my surprise, I was able to run continuous water pressure for 20 minutes on one single battery, and the cool thing is it came with two. So give it a like, give it a subscribe. Thanks for watching.